Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 14 of our 30-day manifestation run. Let's take a second and really acknowledge this. We have officially completed 2 weeks of this journey, 2 weeks of showing up, 2 weeks of reading the vision, 2 weeks of correcting our language, protecting our peace, building discipline, 2 weeks of proving to yourself that you are not who you used to be. And to my private community members who planted their financial freedom seed yesterday, outstanding work. That was not just about money, that was about identity. That was you telling yourself, I respect what I have. I'm preparing for more. I am not waiting for freedom. I am building it. That is closer energy. Now, to my YouTube family, welcome to the room. You are catching us on day 14 of a very intentional 30-day challenge where we are not just wishing for a better life. We are becoming the person who can hold a better life. And today is powerful because we are at the midpoint. Today is about renewing your commitment to the new version of you. And this is what I want you to sit with for today. The person who started this challenge on day one is not the same person standing here today. You have already started breaking old patterns. You have practiced non-reaction, clean up your scripting, move your body with intention, planted a financial seed. You have created evidence that your future self is not some faraway fantasy. You are being built right now. One choice at a time, one habit at a time, one uncomfortable moment at a time, one decision to keep going at a time. And that matters because manifestation is not just about saying, I want a new life. It's about asking yourself, am I willing to become the person that new life requires? That is the real work, not the cute part, the trendy part, not the part that looks good online. The real work is showing up when the excitement fades. The real work is keeping your promise when nobody is checking. The real work is choosing discipline when the old version of you wants to quit. And today we are making it clear. We are not shrinking back into old thinking. We are not picking up old patterns just because they feel familiar. We are not letting fear, delay, doubt, or distraction pull us out of alignment. Today, we renew the commitment. So here's your day 14 assignment. Find a quiet space. Sit still for 60 seconds. No phone, no background noise, no multitasking. No rushing through it just to say you did it. Just sit with yourself. Then read your present tense scripting out loud, slowly, not like you're reading words off a page. Read it like you're reminding your spirit who you are becoming. Read it like it is already in motion. Read it like your future depends on your belief. Read it like you are done negotiating with the old version of yourself. And as you read it, I want you to feel pride in your chest because you made it here. You stayed with it. You're still in the room. And that alone is proof that something in you is ready for more. Then mentally recommit to this new life. Tell yourself, I am still choosing this. I am still becoming the person that I say I want to be. I am not going back. So for my community members, once your midpoint commitment is sealed, head to the private board and report in with this command. Done. 2 weeks locked. And to my YouTube family, this is the kind of intentional work we do every single day inside the community. So if you are tired of watching from the sidelines, if you are tired of starting over every month, if you are tired of trying to manifest, grow, and rebuild your life alone, click the link below and join us inside the community today because we're not just talking about transformation. We are practicing it. We are becoming it. And we are looking and we are locking it in for the next level.